In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add descriptions to your Google Drive folders or files. Fix today. Here, let's begin. First, go to Google Drive in your browser. I'm assuming you're already logged in. Once you're on the main page, locate the file or folder you want to add a description to. Right-click on that item, then hover over File Information or Folder Information, depending on what you selected. From the submenu, click Details. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen. Scroll all the way down in that panel until you see the description section. Now, click on the text that says Add a Description. This will open an editable text box where you can type. Go ahead and enter your description into the field. You can include as much detail as you need here, depending on how you want to organize or explain the file. Once you're done typing, either press enter or simply click outside the text box to save. Google Drive will automatically sync the description so it's visible to anyone who has access to that file or folder. You can also click the eye icon in the top right corner to quickly open or close this details panel for any selected item. To find the file later, use the search bar at the top and type words from your description. Google Drive indexes this text, making it searchable. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.